So very good morning children. In today's class, I want to continue our yesterday's topic of rotational symmetry. Today, I am using some English letters or the alphabets to explain the rotational symmetry. So being the concept which is important, I would like to continue this. And I want to tell you that don't copy anything of this video into your CW or HW. At the end of this class, I will send you a document which you have to copy into your CW. So just look at the observation. I am taking the letter E. So I am taking the English alphabet E. So for this alphabet E, I want to find the order of rotational symmetry. As you know, to find the order, we will take a point and you will rotate it. So we will check how many times it is going to coincide with that original letter. Then we will find the order of rotational symmetry accordingly. So follow me, follow my instructions carefully. So look. So I am taking this one in order to check the rotational symmetry. So look. So we will see how many times this letter is going to coincide with the blue color E. So I am rotating clockwise. As I told yesterday, you can rotate anti-clockwise also. Even that is also acceptable and the answer won't change. So I am rotating E along the axis. That means by taking the center. So clockwise. So I'm here. So can I say that the original figure is coinciding with this upper duplicate one? No. So I'm continuing to rotate it along the center of rotation. So as we can see that we came back to the starting point, and throughout our rotation we never saw that this letter E is coinciding anywhere except only one time. But as I told, order of symmetry will never be 0. Hence for this we can say that no symmetry. So for the letter E there is no symmetry. Hope you are clear. When the order of symmetry is 1, we have to keep in mind that the respective figure or the letter will not carry any symmetry. Hence, the order of symmetry for this letter E is 0 or no symmetry. Now I would like to continue the topic by taking another alphabet. Follow the class carefully. So the next letter is H. Let us find the order of rotational symmetry or the order of symmetry for this letter. So I am placing this one here. In order to find the starting and ending point, I am taking this one as my starting point in order not to get into any kind of confusion. So now let us start this rotation by being at the center. So we can observe that here at one point the figure is coinciding with the original figure. Okay. Now let us continue the rotation. So as I told, it should be around the center of. So now, after going to the starting point again, how many times this H got into match? 2 times. So through this we can say that the order of symmetry for the letter H is 2. So hope you are clear. I took this starting point. Once when I came here, it matched with the original figure, and when I go back to the starting point, okay, it was again matched. So the order of rotational symmetry for the letter H is 2. Now I am moving to the another one. So our next letter to find the rotational symmetry or the order of rotational symmetry is Z. So let us move ahead. So in order to check the symmetry, as we need to carry a starting point, so let us take this one as the starting point. So now we are going to check, while we come back to the starting point again, we have to find how many exact matches of Z we are going to get throughout the rotation. We need to find. So I am starting the rotation. So observe. So it's very clear that when we came here, there is a match between the original figure. So let us continue the process. So it matched one time. I am continuing the rotation. So look. So again we get back to the original position, and in this observation what we have observed is there exist two exact matches when we rotate the Z from starting point to the ending point clockwise direction. So the order of rotational symmetry for the letter Z is 2. I hope you are clear. So the order of rotational symmetry for the letter Z is 2. So the next one is quite important. So please observe carefully. So our next letter for which we are going to find the order of rotational symmetry is C. Very important this is. So please follow me. Yes. So in order to check the rotational symmetry, as you know, we have to take a starting point wherein when we go back to the same, we have to check how many times it is going to match with the original alphabet or the letter. So look. So I am taking the center of rotation somewhere here, and I started my rotation. So we need to observe how many times the figure is going to match with the original figure in order to find the order of rotation. Okay, so can we say that there is a match? No. So let us continue the same process. Okay, now we reached the original position again, but we didn't find any exact matches for the alphabet C. So just like E, for the alphabet or the letter C, the order of symmetry is going to be 0, but we should not do like that. We have to write no symmetry. So for the letter C, there is no symmetry. So keep this in mind. I hope you are quite clear with the topic of order of rotational symmetry. Just like this, we can find order of rotational symmetry for all the alphabets. So this ends up today's class. I will tell you what exactly to be written in the CW just like yesterday. So please copy the notes accordingly. Have a great day.